Hello, Jai Ho kids. Here I am Ruth Miss back with today's subject, that is English. And before beginning the class, what you have to do, children? You repeat the Gayatri Mantra and also the Lord's Prayer. Okay? Yes, children. Now let's start with today's class. Today I have brought the phonics sounds of letters A to Z. Okay? As in the previous basic foundation course, we had finished the sounds of letters, right? So today we'll just revise the sounds of letters. So you all are ready? You have to repeat after me. Yes, children? Repeat after me. A says A. Open your mouth wide. A says A. B says B. B says B. C says K. C says K. D says D. D says D. E says A. E says A. F says F. F says F. G says G. G says G. H says H. H says H. I says E. I says E. J says J. J says J. K says K. K says K. L says L. L says L. M says M. M says M. N says N. N says N. O says O. Open your mouth wide. O says O. O says O. P says P. P says P. And Q has no sound. Q has no sound, children. Okay? R says R. R says R. S says S. S says S. T says T. T says T. U says A. U says A. V says V. V says V. W says V. W says V. X has no sound. It is not having any sound. Y says Y. Y says Y. Z says J. Z says Z. Okay? Z says Z. So these are the sounds of letters, phonic sounds from A to Z, children. So there are how many letters? There are 26 letters and 2 letters doesn't have any sound. Q and X don't have any sound here. A to Z. Z. Okay? These are the sounds of letters A to Z. You have to practice this at home. This will help you in writing of the words. Okay? This will help you in writing of the words and recognizing. Now you all know Kannada letters, Hindi letters. Same way English, when you say G sounds J. Grapes, G. G means G comes. Ant, A will come. So you can recognize which letter to begin when we say the sounds. So sounds helps you to write the words, children. See that you open your mouth wide and say the sounds of letters. Now we'll practice today's writing, that is letter F. Yes, children, we all have to write letter F today. Today's date is 4, month is 8, 2021. Okay, write today's date 4, 8, 2021. F you have to write in your textbook first, that is in your periwinkle writing book. Okay, how you have to write, children? F, standing line and one sleeping line, another sleeping line. For red line and blue line, 2 sleeping line will come. This is big F, capital F. Okay, now the small f, just from red line you take a curve and touch it to blue line, F. So this is capital F, small f. Once again, from red line to blue line, from red line you just make a sleeping line and one from blue line. This is capital F and small f. Okay, so in one line how many times you are writing, children? You are writing 3 times. So this you have to complete in your textbook and notebook. Today is Wednesday. You have 2 subject writing and 1 coloring. So just write this in your textbook, classwork and homework. Okay, then write in your notebook too. Okay, children, complete this and send me back. I'll be waiting for your homework, completing of your homework. Okay, listen to your parents and stay home, stay safe. Bye, children.